Hello everyone, you are welcome with Dr. Virpal Singh in our today class and today class topic is natural gas refining. जी हाँ, हम आज नेचुरल गैस रिफाइनिंग के बारे में चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं आज की क्लास में. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास फॉर यू ऑल. नेचुरल गैस रिफाइनिंग, इसका अध्ययन करने के लिए हम सबसे पहले देखते हैं हाइड्रोजनेशन. जी हाँ, हाइड्रोजनेशन इज द एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन टू एन एल्कीन और एल्काइन टू प्रोड्यूस एल्केन. नेचुरल गैस रिफाइनिंग. नेचुरल गैस इज composed to several hydrocarbon. Natural gas is composed of several hydrocarbons but mostly methane. So methane is the important component of natural gas refining, है ना. तो इसके बारे में हम स्टडी करते हैं डिटेल में. Raw natural gas is made up of many impurities that make it sour. It contains H2S gas that has an rotten egg smell and it can form acidic solution with water. Refining. First of all, try to know what is refining. Piped from well site to gas treatment plant. Water and hydrocarbons are removed, chemically refined in absorber tower. It reacts with an amine such as diethylamine under high pressure and low temperature to make it sweet, removing the H2S gas and CO2 gas. H2S gas then react with oxygen gas and make SO2 gas. This is then sent to a recovery unit, Claus converter, to get the sulfur out. H2S gas, SO2 gas, it makes sulfur and water which can be removed out. Natural gas can be 0 to 80% hydrogen sulfide. So these are the product obtained from the refining process as a byproduct, but which make the process cheaply by getting the price in market. Fractional distillation. Most natural gas is further refined into these components what it could be burned at this point. Fractional distillation would be the process used to separate these components and then they can be used for uses. Natural gas is cooled under high pressure to condense all the components except methane gas. The condensed liquid is then slowly distilled to separate out the different hydrocarbons. Ethane cracking. Purpose to produce ethane from ethane. जी हाँ, एथेन का क्रैकिंग जब करते हैं तो पर्पज इज टू प्रोड्यूस एथीन फ्रॉम एथेन. एथेन क्रैकिंग इज इक्वल टू डिहाइड्रोजनेशन. एथेन इज वन कंपोनेंट ऑफ नेचुरल गैस कैन बी यूज. Cracking is an industrial process in which large hydrocarbon molecules are broken down at high temperature with or without catalyst to produce smaller hydrocarbon molecules. Cracking usually refers to breaking a large molecule down into a smaller molecule. Ethane is cracked or dehydrogenated by adding heat and the product are ethene and hydrogen. Straight chain alkane will have symmetrical electronegativity, so they will behave as non-polar molecules. Since like dissolve like, the alkane will all be soluble in each other. However, since water is polar, alkane will not dissolve in water. Think of pouring oil on water. It is an important example to understand the alkane undissolved in water. So this is to review the alkane or review this process. There are multiple branches. Start numbering the parent branch to that so that the closest branch has the smallest number. Name the branch in numerical and alphabetical order. Way to represent alkane. Structural formula include all hydrogen carbons and their respective bonds. Condensed structural formula, simply hydrogen attached to carbon as such as CH3, CH2, CH3. Even simpler condensed structural formula, if there are long chain with say 6 CH2 group in chain, then they can be represented as CH3, CH2 whole 6 and CH3. Mr. Atkins shortcut formula for representing alkene is only draw the carbon and use a line to represent bond to hydrogen as represented in this structure. Line structural formula, use line to represent the molecules. Each corner is carbon, so that this is the cycloalkene. Here 4 carbon are representing on corner, and this is butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is indicating the butane. Now, alkenes are hydrocarbons that contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Usually, formula is CN2N, and for example, propene C3H6 गैस है और इसका फॉर्मूला ये हुआ. Alkynes are the hydrocarbons that contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. Usually CN, इसका common formula है CN2N-2. For example, propane C3H4 gas, and formula is this CH triple bond C single bond CH3. Alkenes and alkynes are unsaturated compounds that are easily converted to saturated alkane compound by addition of hydrogen called hydrogenation. Example is alkene alkyne plus H2S gas converted into alkane. Example, butene plus hydrogen butane. This is the formula CH3 CH double bond CH single bond CH3 hydrogen converted into butane. Ruling for naming: numbering the longest chain containing the multiple bond for the and closer to the multiple bond. Identify the type and or location of the each branch. Write the IUPAC name using the format branch location, branch name. Branch location means indicating the number of carbon atom. Branch name, for example, methyl, ethyl, propyl. Prefix, multiple bond location. Multiple bond location where the multiple bond is situated, for example, at position 2, then 2 alkene, 2ene or ine. For example, 4-methyl pent 2ene. Prefix indicating the number of carbon atom. Alkenes are isomer of cycloalkanes and alkynes are isomer of cycloalkenes. The cracking of ethane to ethene is a very important chemical reaction in Alberta. So, I like to thank you for attending my class today, but I remember you, if you want to get previous lecture, then you subscribe, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. That name is, my YouTube channel name is Dr. Veerpal Singh, where you can find my all previous lectures. And if you want to get information of coming lectures, so you please press bell icon. Thank you very much.